Hi again, Primary 5. How are you today? Are you ready for a new science lesson? Let's start together. Our lesson today called Excretion and Human Urinary System. At first, what is meant by excretion? Excretion process is process of getting rid of the excretory materials which are produced from burning of food out of the body. So, in this process, we get rid of some harmful materials from our body. As we know, we have some food is digested, which called cell wastes, and some food is indigested or not digested, which called solid waste. Let's see together types of harmful materials that our body need to get rid of it. Number 1. Solid wastes. They are the indigested food stored in the large intestine before passing out of the body. This is the first type of harmful material. Number 2. The second type, excretory materials. They are waste materials produced inside the body cells, where the body must get rid of them. Let's see together the types of excretory materials or excretory materials contain. Number 1. Harmless materials that the body can't use, and poisonous materials that the body must get rid of them. Okay? We have three types of excretory materials. A is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is produced with water vapor when the body cells burn the digested food by oxygen to produce energy. We can get rid of carbon dioxide gas and water vapor through the two lungs by exhalation process. Number 2. Nitrogenous wastes. They are produced from breaking down of protein. We can get rid of nitrogenous wastes which contain urea and uric acid by the urinary system. C, or the third type, excess salt and excess water. We can get rid of excess salt and excess water through the urinary system and our skin by get sweat. Okay? How do your body cells get rid of excretory materials? We can get rid of them by skin. We can consider skin as one of the excretory organs. Why? Because it gets rid of excess salt and excess water in the form of sweat. Number 2, body cells, or a second way body cells relieve their wastes into the blood. Why? Because blood carries these wastes to special organs to get rid of them. Let's compare between the three types of wastes. We have carbon dioxide and water vapor, excess salt and water, nitrogenous wastes. The first one, carbon dioxide and water vapor. It produced from burning off the digested food to get energy. So how could we get rid of them? By exhaling from the two lungs during exhalation process. Okay? The excess salt and excess water, it produced or formed by the body when the body dissolves the excess salt with excess water. How could we get rid of them? By two ways: urinary system in the form of urine, or the skin by secreting sweat through sweat glands. The last one, nitrogenous waste, is produced from breaking down of protein, and we can get rid of them by removed by the two kidneys or the urinary system. Let's see together the urinary system. Urinary system is the system that clarifies blood from nitrogenous wastes, excess salt and excess water, or it's the group of organs that clarifies the body from wastes and harmful substances. So it's a system which clarifies blood from harmful wastes. Okay? Then, where can we find urinary system? It lies inside the abdominal cavity near the backbone. Okay? Then, the function of urinary system. What does it do? Okay? What is its job? It filters the blood from excess salt, excess water, urea and uric acid. Then let's take the structure of urinary system. Urinary system consists of two kidneys, okay? Two ureters, and urinary bladder, and urethra. The last part is called urethra. Again, two kidneys, ureters, bladder, urethra. Let's explain each of them. Number one, the two kidneys. They are the most important organs of the urinary system, and they are bean-shaped organs. If you look at the kidney, you can see that it looks like bean, okay? And it's located on both sides of the backbone, right and left. So, what is the function of our two kidneys? Number one, filtration of blood from wastes such as urea and uric acid, excess salt. Number two, getting rid of wastes in the form of urine. Number two, the two ureters. They are two narrow tubes that connect two kidneys with urinary bladder. Okay? So, what is the function of these two ureters? They transfer the urine from two kidneys to urinary bladder. Then, the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a balloon-like sac. That receives the urine from the two ureters. The function of urinary bladder is to store the urine temporarily until it's released outside the body through urethra. We can find that the two kidneys connect by artery and vein. The artery in this system, it carries blood which is rich in oxygen but containing waste material to our two kidneys. So the artery gets the blood with wastes to our kidney. Then the vein carries the pure blood after the filtration process. It carries the pure blood to the heart, which pumps it to the other body parts. So the artery gives the kidney the blood with wastes, then the vein takes the pure blood to our heart. The last part, urethra. Urethra is a tube which extends from the urinary bladder open outside the body. It allows the urine to pass outside the body. Okay? Notice that urine is the fluid of harmful wastes which is produced by two kidneys. Okay? And urine consists of water containing some excess salt, urea, and uric acid. Each kidney contains about 1 million mini tubules that filter blood from wastes. At last, the blood containing wastes enters the kidney through arteries, but the pure blood leaves it through veins. At last, how can we keep our urinary system healthy? Number 1. Drink appropriate amount or enough amount of clean water, especially in the summer. Number 2. Eat balanced, healthy food that is low in salt. Number 3. Keep away from irrigation canals and avoid urinating in them to avoid schistosomiasis disease or bloody urine. Number 4. Don't keep urine in the urinary bladder for a long period because this affects the function of the kidney. At last, we finished our lesson today. Be safe and keep your urinary system healthy. And bye for now.